I'm Anna of all trades, and Hi, I'm Anna of all trades, and today I'm finishing a project that I started a whole long time ago, and that's putting stalls into the barn. When we moved here, there's actually a wall along this whole area of the barn, but because we have a whole bunch of little animals, I needed a whole bunch of little stalls. So I actually am doing my best at recycling during this project. I am reusing the 2x6s from my friend's parkour studio that they tore down, and I am building a super sturdy stall system for the barn absolutely for free. My friend Thor was awesome enough to give me his barn stall doors when he pulled them out of his barn to build a wood shop, and it all worked out perfectly. So thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, for supporting my channel. I love sharing these homesteading projects with you. I hope that you leave this video feeling challenged and inspired to get outside and to do something with your hands as well. Cheers.